Okay, let's talk about a feature you might be underutilizing on Tradingview, and that is called indicator templates, which is housed right here with these four squares. So this is how I would want my chart while I'm day trading. Now we've hit the final 30 minutes. I'm ready to do my end of the day charts. So I have a different setup. So if I hit my end of the day chart, it's going to keep these same indicators I have over here, but some of them are turned on, some of them are turned off, some of them have different settings. For example, you're going to see this VWAP go away. You're going to see other things added because that's how I want to do my end of the day chart. So I hit my end of the day chart, it loads the same indicators, it just has different settings. So that as I go into my end of the day chart and I'm going to look at my trades, especially going into this new cycle of trade analytics I'm going to try to keep up with, where I am recording additional trades, this is my setup for my end of the day chart. That's done. Next morning, I'm ready to get back to trading. I simply switch my indicator template back to my main core, and it remembers the setting for every single indicator, which is very nice. You might have a different indicator template for NQ versus ES as an example. This 8-point candle we see here, well, 8 points doesn't work well for NQ. You're going to want to use a different setting. So instead of coming into your indicator and changing that setting for NQ, simply save you a different indicator template. I have different templates for different purposes. I have a different template when I'm looking at all of the four indices as one, such as on this page. I have a different set of indicators for this. So therefore, I have a different template with a different template setting. So make sure you're utilizing your indicator templates.